Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. So today I'm going to be answering a question that I actually get on a regular basis, and I wanted to make a dedicated video about it. So I get questions that's kind of talking about, can you get dividends from real estate? Like if I had to say it in like a sentence format, can you get dividends? Can you earn dividends? Can you make dividends from real estate? So the short, quick answer is yes. Okay, and I'm going to share with you how you can do that, and I'm going to share with you the two main ways that my husband and I are going to do that. So let's just get right into this. So the first main way that you can get dividends from real estate is through something called REITs. So if you've been following me for any length of time, you will know what REITs are, but just in case you're new or you need a refresher, REITs stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. So these are simply investment firms that buy commercial real estate or residential real estate, industrial real estate, office space, retail, the list goes on and on and on and on. And the idea is that they take the money that they receive from the investors like us, and they buy these places and they rent them out to a lot of the stores and places that you have heard of. And they pay us a profit every month. Now, some REITs pay quarterly, but most of them pay every month. And I actually did a video talking about all of the monthly dividend paying stocks, and a lot of those were REITs on that list. So I'll have it up somewhere on the screen, and you can check out the direct link to it in the description box below. But I actually walked you through all, I think it was 60 of them. So you can watch that video. But I really do like REITs. Now, let me just preface this by saying all REITs are not created equal. So you don't want to just invest in a REIT just for a dividend. Okay, you don't want to chase yields. Yields are great. Having a nice high yield is good, but you want growth as well over time, right? You want your initial investment to grow as well as getting a dividend payout, right? So some of my favorite REITs, come on, say it in the comments if you know. You've been watching my channel. My favorite REIT and my favorite stock period is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. They're actually, like, their moniker or their tagline is the monthly dividend company. So they already got this space on lockdown in terms of the REITs and getting paid from real estate. Like, they are known as the monthly dividend company. And I did a super detailed video on Realty Income, what it is. I talked about the management. I talked about some of the buildings that they own, forecasting, all that stuff. Check out that video as well. I think you guys would like it. But some of the buildings or the tenants that Realty Income have are Targets. So again, if you go to a Target, Target does not own the building that they're in. Realty Income and other REITs like it own those actual buildings, and Target pays rent. Same with some of the Amazon warehouses. Realty Income actually owns several of the Amazon warehouses. So yes, Amazon pays rent to Realty Income every month. Same with the Dollar Tree and Dollar General, some of the Walmarts and the BJ's and Sam's Clubs. All of these places we frequent on, a regular basis, and we don't realize that these companies, these billion-dollar companies and corporations pay rent to Realty Income. I also like that Realty Income is not like flashy and out there. They're kind of under the radar a little bit. To me, Tesla is like out there. Amazon is out there. Google is out there. But you don't really hear a whole lot about Realty Income, and that's what I like. I like a company that just, does its business and minds its business. And so, yeah, so that's my favorite REIT, but I also like Main Street Capital. I like Arbor Realty Trust. I like Stag Industrials. That's next on my list, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, if you are participating in our $1 a day investing challenge, make sure you answer the polls. They are up for the month of March. For the month of February is SCHD. Okay, so, and I did a video about that too. Okay, so go ahead and explore my channel, explore the playlist. I have those playlists there for a reason, so that you guys can go ahead and kind of get a little caught up if you want to kind of know more about not just my journey, but how to invest, what stocks are, what a 401k is, a Roth is, building your portfolio sectors, like things like that. A lot of educational content here on the channel. Though I'm not a financial advisor, I do show the accounts. So yeah, that's in a snapshot what REITs are. So yes, you can get a dividend. So if you own realty income, you are investing in real estate. So the great thing about this in REITs as well is that you don't have to own a physical property, right? You know how it is. If you are a homeowner, like raise your hand, you know that it takes a lot of capital up front to put a down payment, and then you have closing costs. And then if you want to make repairs to the house, you want to get some furniture, decorate it, that costs a lot of money. So a lot of people who don't have physical property like to get access to real estate via REITs. And so I do think REITs are a great way to get access to real estate. And like I said, yes, you can get dividends from those as well. So the second way that my husband and I invest in real estate and get dividends from that is through private investing firms like Fundrise. So I'm going to actually give a quick review on Fundrise. What I'm going to do is share my screen and bring Fundrise up. I've been getting several requests to do like a Fundrise review. Now, I'm not sponsored by Fundrise, but Fundrise, if you are watching this video, I love your product and I would love to work with you. Okay, I'm just putting my stuff out there, okay? And so I do enjoy Fundrise. I'm going to explain what it is and on the website so that you can kind of like see what I'm talking about. I really have been enjoying the site and just learning more about being a private investor when it comes to real estate. And yes, we do get dividends. So you will see the dividends when I share my screen. And they're not big dividends like we're getting from realty income. But again, I love that we have different streams of income coming from different places, no matter how big and no matter how small. I do not turn my nose up to 50 cents or $1 or $10. And I don't turn my nose up to $500 a month or $600 a month. So I like to, like I said, I like a variety of dividends, of passive income coming from different places, right? And to be able to invest in real estate and not only, have the growth, but get a little dividend, every now and then is just really, really nice. And so those are the two main ways that my husband and I not only invest in real estate, but get dividends from it. Now, we have rental properties. We don't get dividends from rental properties. We own our main home. We don't get dividends from that. So yeah, like I said, it's nice to see our money making money. This is where compound interest come in. And this is how truly the wealthy continues to build. Every dollar that they make, they put into a vehicle that can continue to earn them money. Like I said, don't turn your nose up to small amounts, because if you get $10, $10 can get you, a little bit of gas if you needed, to stretch your money until you got paid again. So that's why I'm always tracking everything, because it helps me to stay motivated. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's head on over to Fundrise's website and just explore it a little bit, okay? Hey guys, so I'm here doing a voiceover because my microphone wasn't plugged all the way in. So we're going to move on. So our balance here is $1,351.48. We are down in this position about $85. Again, every time the interest rates increase, it negatively affects real estate, but we believe in it long term. You can see our dividends here year to date, 64 cents, and all time $2.73. But we've had this account for just a few months. But again, I love all kinds of dividends, okay? And then if you scroll down, you can see some of like our spotlight and the news feed section. It's always good to check in again because the economy is so tight. It's always good to see like what's going on, any new property that Fundrise has acquired. All that good stuff. It's always great to stay connected to your investments. And then here we have our portfolio breakdown. So we have a teeny bit of fixed income. We have some core plus, which again keeps a lot of like balance and stability. We have a little bit of value, and then some opportunistic, which is just more like of the riskier real estate. But again, I really love how our portfolio is balanced here. Scrolling up, you can see a little chart of the historical performance of our account. Something really simple and really easy. Now here is details of our particular portfolio. We have some single rental properties, we have some multifamily, and some industrial. So I am going to click on the single family rentals, and we're going to take a peek into what exactly is in our fund. So we can see that we have some single family rentals in Georgia, in South Carolina, Tennessee, Florida, some in the Midwest, some even on the West Coast. And again, it gives us a list of the properties and where they're they're located, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And then I can actually click on a property, a specific property, which you will see me do in a second, and it'll give me a lot more information in terms of how much was the investment that Fundrise put into that particular community. You can see how the houses look on the inside here. I'm clicking right there. You can see that this is a single family community somewhere in Tennessee. And again, I can see how the houses are in terms of rentals. How's the turnover? Are they profitable? Here's another community in South Carolina. I clicked on this one. This is the community known as Pine Ridge Place. Again, I have family in South Carolina, so it's great that, you know, I have part ownership in a housing community. And again, they rent these houses out. They take care of the community. The houses are all in great shape. And again, it helps me to become an owner and a consumer in a sense. Again, here's more of the single family communities, just literally all over the United States. And I can actually copy and paste this into Google to get more information about like how much the rents are, in terms of is the community safe? Things like that. Here I clicked on multifamily properties, so like apartment building communities, condo complexes, just things like that. I really do like the information that they give. And here are some of the industrial, so like warehouses. And again, these are all over the United States. You can see Arizona here, Texas here, Tennessee, all that good stuff. So again, this was just a quick review of the Fundrise website. You can see that it's really easy to navigate. Again, I know many of you decided to join Fundrise because of the videos. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you all of the accounts. If you do want to sign up, my referral links are down below. If you use it, you'll get some free money, and I will get some free money. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's just a way for you to get started in owning real estate, and you can get dividends. Here's the FAQ section where you can get some of your questions answered in terms of how to liquidate your account, all that good stuff. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please remember to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.